At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Applied behavior analysis is a proven method in psychology, particularly effective for individuals with autism. It focuses on understanding behavior in relation to the environment and applying strategies to improve socially significant behaviors. ABA therapy involves analyzing and modifying observable behaviors, increasing positive actions while reducing harmful ones. Therapists use data-driven techniques to tailor interventions, ensuring they meet each individual's unique needs. Key components include breaking down complex skills into smaller steps and using positive reinforcement to encourage desired behavior. ABA is not only useful for autism, but also in various settings to address language, social skills, and more. Its effectiveness is well documented, making it a leading approach for behavioral challenges. Applied behavior analysis includes various techniques tailored to meet the needs of individuals, especially those with autism. These methods aim to enhance social communication and learning skills while reducing problematic behaviors. Here's a brief overview of some key ABA techniques. Discrete trial training. This technique breaks down skills into smaller parts, teaching each individually in a controlled setting. It's effective for building basic life skills. Pivotal response training. This focuses on key areas like motivation, using natural learning opportunities to enhance social skills and self-management. Natural environment training. This teaches skills in the learner's natural environment during daily activities, promoting real-world application. Task analysis. Breaks down complex tasks into smaller steps, teaching each sequentially, which is useful for self-care and daily living skills. During ABA therapy, session notes written by a registered behavior technician or board-certified behavior analysts document the individual's behavior and progress. These notes typically include the client's date of birth, date of service, objective behavior observations, noted improvements, and strategies used during the session. Here's how to use the ABA session note template. Firstly, start by downloading the ABA session note by clicking on the link in the description. This will take you to our templates library, where there are thousands of other free resources. Fill out the patient information. Enter the patient's name, birth date, session date, and duration to keep records organized and track progress. Describe goals and interventions. Outline the session goals and strategies you'll use to achieve them, like the techniques that we listed earlier in the video. Collect data. Record observed behaviors, noting their frequency, duration, and intensity. Review progress. Assess the patient's progress, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. Collaborate and recommend. Document any communication with caregivers or professionals and suggest adjustments to the treatment plan. Sign and date. Sign the notes with your credentials to validate the session and ensure accountability. Here is a sample of our ABA session notes to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To learn more about applied behavior analysis, go to our guides library where you can find our article about applied behavior analysis. To explore more of our free templates, visit our templates library on the Carepatron website, linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Carepatron channel for more content like this.